video, I'm going to show you how to use hashtags on YouTube, not to be confused with tags. I will talk about that here real shortly. Let's go to one of my newest channels, Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, and let's pop in this video right here and I'll show you exactly what I mean when it comes to using hashtags. You can see at the top here, it says hashtag Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, hashtag workouts, hashtag fitness. I'm going to talk to you about how to use them, which hashtags to use, everything that you need to know. Let's go ahead and just click on that hashtag and you can see all of the videos that I have used this hashtag Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. I recently did a rebranding. So how exactly do you add these to your YouTube videos? It's super simple. I'm just going to click on my avatar here on the top right hand side. I'm going to go to your channel and I'll go to customize channel. One thing that I highly recommend is to make your life easier. We're going to go down to the gear icon. You can see down here on the bottom left hand side. Click on that and then we're going to go to the third drop down called upload defaults, and here is the description box. This is my description box that is automatically uploaded with every video, because could you imagine having to type this out every time? No thank you. You can see right here I have hashtag Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, so I automatically have that one in there. But how about the other ones? Anytime you upload a video, we're going to go to content. You can add these hashtags, or you could add them to older videos as well. Just go ahead and click on the pencil icon right here. This is a new video that's going to be released this morning. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this description box, you can see I have Elite Fit with Andrea Jean and Tabata. So why did I choose the one Tabata? I'm just going to go to youtube.com and I'll show you exactly what I mean here. I tend to only use between 3 and 4 hashtags. You can use up to 15. I would not recommend it. It just clutters things up. So here in the search bar, this is the main reason to use hashtags, because it's easier to search, much like on Instagram. Now let's say I start typing in the word Tabata. YouTube is automatically populating, suggesting hashtags that I should use. I would only use the hashtags that YouTube is suggesting. You can see number 3 here is Tabata and Tabata workout. Let's just go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to find all the videos related to the hashtag Tabata workout and who's really killing it using this hashtag. So it's a great way to find other creators in your space, and it's great to find content related to that hashtag. So where in your description box should you put these hashtags? You can really put them anywhere. I could go in and start putting them around in the middle. I tend to just put them at the bottom of the screen, and YouTube will show up to 3 as you saw when the video was launched. Do not add spaces between your hashtags. As you can see right here, I'm doing right now at the bottom of the screen. Do not add spaces. Make it all one word. Otherwise, you're going to have a hashtag do and then space and a bunch of other words, and it will not take you to where you need to go. Let's look in this video right here. Do this every morning after waking up. I've done Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, morning workout and morning exercise. And again, I put those in the bottom of my description box. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, but again, YouTube is only gonna show you 3. Here's the downside with them. If I click morning workout, it's gonna take you off of your YouTube channel. It's going to bring the viewer to other people's videos. So this can be a downside to using hashtags. So my recommendation is that you experiment with using hashtags. You can see right here, there are 6,000 videos that are using this hashtag, and you can see all the channels listed here that are doing that. So I do recommend at least using your hashtag, your YouTube channel name. It's an easier way for people to find all of your videos in one spot when using the search method. Click the video on screen now to see a short step-by-step guide on how to use tags in your YouTube videos. Different than hashtags. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.